السلام علیکم ویورز، اس ویڈیو میں ہم انسپیکٹر اینٹی کرپشن اسٹیبلشمنٹ پنجاب کی پوسٹ کے لیے 2020 کا پیپر ڈسکس کریں گے۔ آئیے شروع کرتے ہیں۔ Which of the following is not a MS PowerPoint view? Answer is orientation view. Second MCQ, choose the correct antonym ruthless. Answer is compassionate. Third MCQ, Diet is the name of the parliament of. Answer is Japan. Fourth MCQ, which document was firstly drafted to give peace to constitution making process? Answer is objective resolution. 5. Imam Malik Rahmatullah alayh died in. Answer is 179 AH. 6. Which of the following protects our body against diseases? Answer is white blood cells. 7. During Jahangir's reign, Sir Thomas Roy and Captain Hawkins visited Mughal court to secure. Answer is commercial privileges. 8 MCQ, choose the correct meaning of torque. Answer is a force that tends to cause rotation. 9. Name the prophet who was contemporary of Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam. Answer is Hazrat Lut alayhi salam. 10th MCQ, who was the first civilian chief martial law administrator in Pakistan? Answer is Sir Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. 11. During the migration from Makkah to Medina, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu took shelter in the. Answer is Ghar Saur. 12th MCQ, what is the speed of a car that travels 700 km in 3 hours and 30 minutes? Answer is 200 km per hour. 13. What is the biggest Pakistan's export? Answer is textile. 14. Who was the penultimate viceroy of India? Answer is Lord Wavell. 15. In MS Word 2016, to extend the selection to one line up, press dash keys from keyboard. Answer is Shift plus up arrow. 16th MCQ, Banaras Institute was first practical step taken against. Answer is Urdu. 17. Which of the following is the starting point of a website? Answer is home page. 18. 888 divide 0.8 cross 8. Answer is 8880. 19. The massive flood of July-August 2010 covered dash land of Pakistan. Answer is 1/5. 20. Nagorno-Karabakh region is recognized as the part of. Answer is Azerbaijan. 21. Dash of the North America is currently named as Denali Peak. Answer is Mount McKinley. 22. Sakotograph is an instrument for. Answer is adding blind to right. 23. How many different documents you can open at one time? Answer is as many as your computer memory will hold. 24. Hayate Javed was written by. Answer is Muhammad Ali Johar. 25. Which one of the following countries is not a member of OPEC? Answer is Malaysia. 26. The number 329 is divisible by. Answer is 7. 27. To solve the problem of Sir Creek, which proposal Pakistan gave to India that India has rejected? Answer is both countries should go for international arbitration. 28. General Joseph Dunford belongs to. Answer is US Army. 29. Antonym of gullible is. Answer is astute. 30. Sky News is news TV channel of. Answer is UK. 31. What does LED stands for? Answer is light emitted diode. 32. Baroda Public Representative Officer Disqualification Act was passed in. Answer is January 1949. 33. The cost of paint is rupees 36.50 per kg. If 1 kg of paint covers 16 square feet, how much rupees it costs to paint outside of a cube having equal side of 8 feet? Answer is 876 rupees. 34. Provincial autonomy was enhanced under. Answer is 18th Amendment. 35. Poonch River is tributary of. Answer is Jhelum. 36. The murder of Archduke Ferdinand, the hero Austrian throne, became the immediate cause of war. Answer is World War I. 37. Shokov Tower is located in. Answer is Russia. 38. In the field of computer, what is basic beginner's all-purpose symbolic instruction code? Answer is a programming language. 39. Indicate the indirect form. Salim said, I do not eat mangoes. Answer is Salim said that he does not eat mangoes. 40. It is high time to do something means. Answer is already late. 41. In the human body, gallbladder is the part of dash system. Answer is respiratory system. 42. On the call of Hijrat in 1920, to which country Muslims started migration? Answer is Afghanistan. 43. Which enables us to send the same letter to different persons? Answer is mail merge. 44. If b is equal to 1, then b cube over b square is equal to. Answer is 1. 45. Ghazwa Tabuk was fought against. Answer is Romans. 46. Deficiency of iron in human diet cause. Answer is anemia. 47. The circumference of a circle whose diameter is 7 inches is approximately. Answer is 22 inches. 48. Fill in the blank. He knocked dash 2 bottles of milk in 10 minutes. Answer is down. 49. In which park Minar-e-Pakistan is located? Answer is Greater Iqbal Park. 50. Synonym of luminary is. Answer is celebrity. 51. 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles? Answer is 0.62. 52. The first chief minister of Punjab after independence was. Answer is Iftikhar Hussain Mahmood. 53. A book Thoughts on Pakistan is written by. Answer is B.R. Ambedkar. 54. 17th MENA Middle East and North Africa World Economic Forum held in which country? Answer is Jordan. 55. A store district is located in which area? Answer is Gilgit-Baltistan. 56. Who is the father of local self-government in India? Answer is Lord Ripon. 57. Which is the only district bordering all 4 provinces of Pakistan? Answer is Dera Ghazi Khan. 58. Source of air pollution includes. Answer is all of these. 59. The year of Imam Abu Hanifa Rahmatullah alayhi birth is. Answer is 699 AD. 60. In MS Word, delete key deletes letter from. Answer is right side of cursor. 61. Pakistan has the shortest boundary with. The answer is China. 62. If one of the angle of a triangle is 90 degrees, what would be the value of other 2 angles? Answer is 45 and 45 degrees. 63. Which prophet is known as Zunnun? Answer is Hazrat Yunus alayhi salam. 64. What was the old name of Lahore High Court? Answer is Chief Court of Punjab. 65. Change the narration. The dying soldier said, let me have a look at the battlefield. Answer is the dying soldier wished to have a look at the battlefield. 66. Which command can be set to prohibit or allow a cell entry? Answer is data validation. 67. Saji is a dish originating from the province of Pakistan. Answer is Balochistan. 68. Which party started Quit India movement? Answer is Congress. 69. Which king taught the letter of peace be upon Prophet peace be upon him? Answer is Khusru Parvez. 70. When was the little viceroy introduced in when was the title viceroy introduced in British India? Answer is 1858. 71. Which amendment in the 1973 constitution redefined the territories comprising Pakistan? Answer is first. 72. Which is the most famous sport of Gilgit-Baltistan? Answer is polo. 73. If the amount of 15% of sales tax paid on the article comes to rupees 1500, what is the actual price of the article? Answer is 10,000 rupees. 74. War of Independence of India started in? Answer is 1857. 75. If Amir is in the north of Bilal and Saad is in the west of Bilal, in which direction is Amir with respect to Saad? Answer is northeast. 76. Name the first written constitution of the world. Answer is Misake Medina. 77. Vienna is a city located on the bank of? Answer is Danube. 78. Find the market price of uniform shirt if it is sold for rupees 1311 rupees after discount of 5%. Answer is 1380 rupees. 79. Complete the proverb keep your friends close and enemies. Answer is apart. 80. Among the following who has won the Nobel Prize twice? Answer is Dr. Linus Carl Pauling. 81. The thinning of ozone layer is resulting of chlorofluorocarbons which are used in? Answer is spray cans and refrigerators. 82. The process of transferring files from the internet to your computer is called? Answer is downloading. 83. Under the Indus Water Territory, the use of which rivers was allocated to Pakistan? Answer is Indus, Jhelum and Chenab. 84. Through a much shorter route through CPEC, China will be able to trade with South Asia, Middle East, West Asia and North Africa. 85. Which one is the famous city of Iran? Answer is Mashhad. 86. Drought is one of word substitution of? Answer is lack of rain. 87. Software in computer? Answer is enhance the capabilities of hardware machine. 88. Where Al-Falah building is situated? Answer is Lahore. 89. Manchal Lake is situated in? Answer is Sindh. 90. Earth is slightly flattened at the poles and so its shape is described as? Answer is geoid. 91. मैंने ये बाल धूप में सफ़ेद नहीं किए इल्म बयान की रूह से क्या है? आंसर इज़ कनाया. 92. कौन सा मुहावरा गलत है? आंसर इज़ 9 2 12 होना. 93. नज़म के लग़वी मानी क्या हैं? आंसर इज़ तंजीम और तरतीब करना. 94. मुहावरा किस शायर का मजमूआ कलाम है? आंसर इज़ नून मीम राशिद. 95. बिंतुल अनब का मफहूम क्या है? आंसर इज़ अंगूर की बेटी. 96. मक्ता के लग़वी मानी क्या हैं? आंसर इज़ काट देना. 97. जब जुमले में किसी साबका ख्याल या बात की तशरीह या तस्दीक की जाती है तो वहाँ रमूज़ व काफ की जो अलामत इस्तेमाल होती है वो है? आंसर इज़ तफसीलिया. खालिद हुसैन का नावल दर्ज झैल में से कौन सा है? आंसर इज़ कागज़ी घाट. 99. नवाब मोहसिन मुल्क का असल नाम क्या था? आंसर इज़ सैयद मेहदी अली ख़ान. 100. मीरा जी की मौत 1949 में वाक़या हुई वो किस शहर में दफन है? आंसर इज़ मुंबई.